Required safety precautions for your workplace include the following. 1. Proper ventilation in the salon. 2. Latex gloves should be worn by the hairstylist during the application. 3. Cape and towel should be worn by the client receiving the GKhair treatment. 4. Do not apply on the scalp. Skin irritation may occur if the product comes in contact with the skin or scalp. 5. During the blow-drying step of the application, blow the air in a direction away from the client's face. 6. If the client experiences any irritation or signs of allergic reaction, immediately rinse from the hair. 7. If the product comes in contact with the eyes, immediately flush the eyes with water for 15 minutes. 8. Properly clean up spills and discard of empty packaging. 9. OSHA requires for each salon to have a hazard communication plan for the salon. GKhair offers a version to download, which can be downloaded directly from GKhair.com. 1. pH Plus shampoo. Pre-wash the hair with GKhair pH Plus shampoo. Massage into the hair and leave on for 3 minutes. For resistant or virgin hair, repeat washing 2 to 3 times. Benefits: opens the cuticle of the hair, cleanses excess styling products, preps hair for GKhair hair taming. 2. Resistant or curly application. Use gloves and shake the product well. Section the hair and pour 1 ounce into a mixing bowl. Start application on damp hair at the nape 1/4 inch from the scalp. Use thin sections, half to 1/4, lightly dabbing the product and massaging into the hair shaft until you reach the end. Remove excess product with a fine-tooth comb. Do not oversaturate. Avoid contact with scalp, skin, and eyes. Make sure to massage the entire hair shaft for even distribution of the hair taming formula. 3. Blow dry. Blow dry the air away from the client's face while directly with a vent brush until the hair is 80% dry. Complete the blow dry with the round brush 100% dry. A sleek and smooth blow dry will ensure optimal results. 4. Flat iron. Section the hair and start at the nape flat ironing section by section to seal the cuticle of the hair. Pass the iron several times on each section. For fine or damaged hair, reduce the heat of the flat iron to 375 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Use your professional judgment